Welcome to our channel, English with NS. Hi guys, hope you are fine. As you know, we are discussing causative verbs one by one. Our today's video is about causative use of have. In the previous video, we have discussed in detail that what are causative verbs and causative uses of let, get, and make. I'm attaching the link in description if you want to go through these. So, let's get started. As a causative verb, have is commonly used to indicate that someone causes or arranges for something to be done by someone else. For example, I'm going to have my car washed. In this sentence, have is used causatively to indicate that the speaker intends to arrange for someone else to wash their car. The speaker is not going to wash the car themselves, but they will cause or arrange for someone else to do it by using the causative have construction. Let's discuss its uses one by one. First one is, have is used to indicate that someone arranges for something to be done by someone else. For example, I'm going to have my hair cut at the salon today. She had her car washed by a car cleaner yesterday. We had our house cleaned by a professional cleaner last weekend. In these examples, have is used to indicate that the speaker arranged for something to be done by someone else. They didn't do the action themselves, but they caused it to happen by arranging for someone else to do it. Second is, to indicate that someone is required or expected to do something. For example, you have to wear a mask in public spaces. They have to attend the meeting at 2 p.m. The doctor said, I have to take this medication twice a day. In these examples, have is used to indicate that someone is required or expected to do something. They don't necessarily want to do it, but they have to, because of some external circumstance or requirement. Thirdly, have is used to indicate that something is allowed or possible to be done. For example, we have the option to choose our seats on the airplane. He has the opportunity to study abroad next semester. You can have dessert after dinner. In these examples, have is used to indicate that something is allowed or possible to be done. The person has the choice or opportunity to do something, but it's not required or expected of them. Overall, have is a versatile causative verb that can be used in a variety of situations to indicate that someone causes or arranges for something to happen. I hope you understood well. Today we have discussed the causative use of have. In our next video, we will come up with a new topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please like, subscribe and also press the bell icon. Plus, don't forget to comment and share.